A butterfly begins its life in the most unrecognizable form. Before it becomes a symbol of beauty, it starts as a tiny egg hidden beneath a leaf. The journey begins when a butterfly lays its eggs on a leaf. Each egg is carefully placed where the future caterpillar will have food the moment it is born.
Days later, the egg cracks open. A tiny caterpillar emerges. Its only purpose is survival, and its first instinct is to eat.
The caterpillar begins consuming leaf after leaf. Its body grows rapidly, preparing for a transformation unlike anything in nature. For days and weeks, the caterpillar does only one thing: eat. It sheds its skin multiple times as it outgrows its own body. With every molt, the caterpillar becomes larger and stronger, storing energy for the transformation ahead. When the time comes, the caterpillar stops eating. It searches for a safe place and prepares for one of the most dramatic changes in nature. The caterpillar forms a chrysalis. Inside the sealed shell, its body begins to break down and rebuild itself completely. Inside the chrysalis, something extraordinary happens. The caterpillar no longer exists. It is being rewritten into an entirely new creature. Days pass in silence. Inside the chrysalis, invisible changes continue as wings, colors, and structures slowly take shape.
The transformation is complete. A new life is ready, but it remains trapped inside its final barrier, waiting for the moment of emergence. The chrysalis splits open. A fragile butterfly emerges, its wings soft, wet, and folded close to its body.
The butterfly hangs still as its wings slowly expand and harden. For the first time, it prepares to take flight. With delicate movement, the butterfly takes its first flight. What once crawled on leaves now moves freely through the sky. As an adult, the butterfly feeds on nectar and helps pollinate flowers, continuing the cycle of life across ecosystems. Though its life is short, the butterfly plays a vital role in nature, supporting plants, animals, and entire environments.
Eventually, the butterfly weakens. Its wings fade, and its journey slowly comes to an end, returning to the natural cycle of life.
But its story does not end here. New eggs are already being laid, continuing the endless cycle of transformation and rebirth. From a crawling caterpillar to a flying butterfly, nature shows us that transformation is not an ending, but a beginning.